Unlock your new student home at Bedford 421 in New York. Your ticket to an unforgettable university experience. These 6 and 8+ bedroom apartments boast a beautiful villa aesthetic, blending vacation vibes and student preferences to give you a comfy bed, ample closet space, and a sweet study nook. From water, electricity, and high-speed Wi-Fi to weekly cleaning and monthly breakfast, your rent covers everything. Skip the laundromat runs. Laundry facilities are available on site. Recharge with a workout at the gym or a movie in the cinema room. Or you can catch up with friends in the community lounge after a long week of hustling. Ongoing support and maintenance services are always available when you need them, so you can rest easy. With Medgar Evers College and Pratt Institute just a short drive away, getting to class will be a breeze. Catch a bus at Halsey Street or the subway from the Kingston Throop Avenue station make your city adventures easy. So join the student community at Bedford 421 in New York by booking via amberstudent.com today.